We're making dragons for a dragon dance.
We're colouring in our faces.
I'm putting on some glitter.
It looks really pretty.
It's all sparkly. Almost done.
And then finish.
Finished. We got some tails for our dragons.
I think they look really pretty.
Done. It's time for our dragon dance.
Let's dragon dance.
We're going to sneak up on Mum. We got her. Bye.